hurt is deep, yet you've broken every promise that we swore to keep. I dreamed of serving you with a heart so pure and true, but now you've spoken the words, and they're tearing me in two. My darling, oh please, just confess it all to me. Who is the one who holds your gaze so tenderly, like a fading shadow of the man I used to be, now wrapped in nothing but your anger, surrounding me. Oh, even in the twilight of whispers, soft and shy at night, my soul keeps searching for my one true guiding light. Every thought I have is for our future, bright and fair. I could never forget you, my darling. You're my only prayer. My darling, oh please, just confess it all to me. Who has stolen the light that once shone just for me, like a shadow of my image lost in memory, enveloped only by the anger you feel for me. Your beautiful face stays forever in my heart. Love runs like blood through veins that tear my world apart. This pain isn't new, it cuts so deep, I can't deny. Come back and love me once again. Just take my hand and try. My darling, oh please, just confess it all to me. Who has captured your eyes and left me here to bleed, like a shadow of the love we knew so perfectly, now wrapped in nothing but your anger.